Okay, the next point is change the dressing. Change the dressing at least daily or whenever it becomes wet or dirty. If you are allergic to the adhesive used in most bandages, switch to adhesive-free dressings or sterile gauze held in place with the paper tape, gauze roll, or a loosely applied elastic bandage. These supplies generally are available at pharmacies. Okay, you can change the dressing. Here we are told that we can change the dressing either daily or whenever it gets wet or dirty. So if you are allergic to or if you are sensitive to such adhesive material used in most of the bandages, like sticky material, some people are really very sensitive to such adhesive, which means sticky material, which are used in most of the bandages, then what should we do? Yes, we should avoid using it. And what else we can use? We can use adhesive free bandages or a thin gauze for the dressing. We can also use on the wound and can stick them with a gauze roll or loosely applied elastic bandages. Okay, so these things are definitely be available to you people at pharmacies. So these points that you have to remember, like if you are allergic to adhesive dressing, then what you are going to use? You are going to use a dressing which is free from sticky material. Okay, and these things are available at the pharmacies, like adhesive freeze dressings or sterilized gauze. These things are available at pharmacies.